recommendation I have, guys, is that any big service you have should have its own page. Please don't have one info page that has everything in there, because the goal is one page to tackle one main keyword and then find all those related keywords in order for you to add more text. The easiest thing you're gonna do, children pictures, memories, yes. Christmas card photos. So
Christmas card photos.
For holiday mini sessions, if your studio does holiday mini sessions, you need a page about it. And that page is going to say
very good.
Session, Christmas card photos. Exactly. You need a page about it. So the number one mistake I see is, you know, they have one page and it talks about weddings and engagement, everything in the page. I think engagement should be its own page. Now you can mix in a photo gallery with text. And the easiest way, guys, to add text to these pages is frequently asked questions. What do you usually, about engagement sessions? What are some questions you're asked about engagement sessions, Clay?
Let me stop you right there. This is like a great idea. I'm writing that down here. So a frequently asked question on every page that's going to allow you to have text on your page, because you always struggle, what am I going to write, right? So it's going to allow you to write text and target some keywords on those texts. That is a great idea.
Right. So
I'm writing down here because I'm going to do that.
So here's a hack. The way you find these questions, if you don't know them, is you go to Google and you type in engagement photos. Just type in ideas for engagement photos. Then you go to where it says people also ask. People also ask is a gold mine.